best way to learn Linux. Learn Linux by playing games. The following are the top 7 websites help learning faster. 1. Over the Wire. Over the Wire looks like a super basic website, but don't let its looks fool you. The learning on this website is very real. 2. Linux Survival. Linux Survival, it's a really simple step-by-step game which is great if you are a beginner. You basically read a bit of text and type in the correct prompt. 3. Vim Adventures. Built with the power of JavaScript, you'll find yourself quickly immersed in the puzzle-solving nature of this platformer. 4. HackerRank. If you're the type of person that thinks taking a test or solving a challenge is a game, which it totally could be, then Linux Shell from HackerRank is going to be right up your alley. 5. Terminus. Terminus was built by MIT, so you know it's probably made by Lex Friedman. The game starts as a simple terminal window with just a few command hints. 6. Bash Crawl. This is a game to teach you the basics of using a POSIX, Linux, BSD, Unix, terminal. Bash Crawl is a text-based adventure game designed to help users learn and improve their bash scripting skills. 7. Command Line Mystery. Command Line Mystery is like this cool text-based game where you get to solve a mystery using your computer's command line interface. Happy learning! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.